Say hi to the internet, everybody.
Hi, internet.
Oh, I don't know how to get this. Look at my pod.
Yeah.
I'm say that I never stay awake when I'm asleep.
Melanie made me a thing, and it has a P for Patrick.
That's awesome. Boring.
P.
I'm gonna go get
My ass. It tastes like Fergie and Jesus.
It's be a problem when you have a lot.
Okay.
Whatever.
Oh, you look awesome, Alyssa.
Oh,
yeah! It just sticks all in your hair. You're so pretty.
Alyssa. Don't break my camera.
I won't.
Don't break my camera. It's not terrible. It's not great.
Hi, Lauren. Hi, Lauren.
I'm shopping something off in the theater and then I'm gonna join you guys.
I videoed it, Lauren. It's on video.
My turn. I call it. Domino in the snow. It's Domino in the snow. 2010.
I liking my camera.
Liking it a lot.
Method acting for the winter show. Did you get her going down? Did he just drag you down the hill? I was sitting on it. He was like, "No, we go now."
Hey, Tom.
Like, oh, Tom, go with you. Someone push me.
Go, go, go!
Woo!
I don't snowboard.
You hit my
Might
brim.
be a bad idea.
Go for it.
Go, go! Horrible idea. It's gonna be great though. Yay!
You got that?
Yeah. Me next.
This is powdery goodness.
I want to go next.
I'm next.
I can't do my face. Who's on me? Me. Who's on me?
Knucklehead.
I trust
One more try. This time I'm
Hey, electronics. Okay. No. Okay.
Brandon, where did you go? I had to help Novi.
Melanie, come.
Watch out! People are going
Revenge of the Fallen. I got you. I'm laughing.
Well, she's going down, so we have to wait.
Tom, do you want to run to the bathroom?
I find it hilarious that when you just point cans at people, they just go like.
A little bit.
Want to grab some tissues?
Do you have any?
Well, we'd have to run to a bathroom.
Due to a snowball incident, I appear to have a slight bloody nose, but I shall not let this interfere in our fun.
We need to have a Black Box episode of Snow Day.
Dominoes in the snow.
Yeah.
Oh, God!
Oh.
Woo!
Nick.
What?
Hi.
Oh, no! I'm just really getting feeling back in my face.
Snowing, guys. A lot.
This is definitely the most snow since '96.
Oh yeah.
I think it might be more.
Probably.
I don't even know.
I'm scared.
I'm looking to take you.
Here we go.
Hold on, Patrick.
There we go.
need to get the camera down there.
No, I'm licking the pole. Hold on.
Oh.
Ready?
Fuck.
No. Hi. Okay. Let's go. Look at how deep. Brendan Bailey, go run out in the snow.
Okay.
Look at how deep this is. Now just stand and look at
Wait,
us.
watch. Look how deep it is.
No!
Stop it. Meanie.
Hi.
I think my hair is probably going to freeze soon. Don't lose it.
Ready? Set.